Hi there, my name's Cam and welcome to another Salesforce Marketing Cloud Functions in 5 minutes. Today I'm going to cover the AMPscript string case functions, showing you how each of them work and some of the ways that you can use them in your Marketing Cloud content. So there are 3 case functions in AMPscript, the uppercase, lowercase, and ProperCase functions. You may recognize these functions from other programming languages such as SQL or JavaScript, or even programs like Excel. In fact, most programming languages have these functions that can be used to change the case of text. Now, the documentation for all 3 functions is very similar. You put a text string inside the function and will convert that text into the desired format, where the lowercase will convert the whole string to lowercase letters, the uppercase will convert the string to uppercase letters, and the ProperCase will convert the whole string to lowercase, except for the first letter after a space, which will be uppercase, also known as ProperCase. So for example, I could input the following poorly formatted text, and the result would be as follows for each of these functions. Now, like other AMPscript functions, you can put the results directly into an email, SMS, or cloud page by using the inline AMPscript method. Alternatively, you can also store the result as a variable to be used later on by using the AMPscript code block. Okay, so these functions seem pretty straightforward, but when might you need to use them? So these case functions can be really useful for correcting poorly entered customer data, such as names or postal addresses. There are some industries, like the automotive and travel industries, that still use some really old legacy databases, which sometimes capitalize customer names. And it can look really weird when you add these capitalized names or products into emails for personalization. So you can correct this poorly entered data by using one of these case functions, such as the ProperCase function, to ensure that your customer's name is using the correct upper and lowercase format to fit in with the rest of your email. These string functions are also really useful for normalizing your text data when creating dynamic content based on data stored in your Marketing Cloud instance. For example, if you have a data extension with a list of product names, then you could use the uppercase function to draw attention to a product's name if it's on sale, for example, in a sale or promo banner. You could also use the lowercase function to format your text for use in a link, such as for UTM or tracking tags. So the upper and lowercase functions are both pretty easy to understand. Let's take a closer look at the ProperCase function, as there is one major drawback on how Marketing Cloud renders it. So in AMPscript, the ProperCase function will capitalize the first letter in a string of text immediately after a space. No other characters will cause the first letter of a word to become capitalized, except for the space. I tested this with over 100 characters in the UTF encoding set just to be sure. Now, this isn't going to be an issue in some ProperCase scenarios. However, it can be an issue for personalization of names for your subscribers that contain non-standard capitalization, such as Marianne or O'Leary, or products such as the Apple AirPlay or even Salesforce Cloud Pages. To showcase this, here's a few examples I've prepared to show you the ways that the ProperCase function can get your subscribers' names wrong. So be aware when using the ProperCase function to normalize your data in Marketing Cloud, as it may contain some undesirable effects. And that's all for this episode of Functions in 5 minutes. If this walkthrough of the case functions has helped you, or at least saved you some time in trying to solve why Vice Chancellor Jaden Jamie Lee O'Kennedy II, OFM, is upset with your email personalization, then feel free to give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I release more Salesforce Marketing Cloud videos.